so we're standing in my garage. I wanted to show you guys some of the stuff I've been working on, because I have been crafting. Alright, so this is an accident. Well, I kind of thought, I knew it was going to do something like this, but I wasn't sure exactly how much of this I would have of it. And what I do is whenever I make something, I make sure I have paper like this underneath it so that I can get extra stuff. So this is a rainbow, of course, and it came from me making a rainbow out of tissue paper. But I'm going to show you all kinds of other stuff too. Alright, so this is, and you'll probably go, oh, that's yucky, but you know what? One person's yuck is another person's not yuck, I guess. This is paper towel with acrylic paint and water. So what happens is I use this to dab, 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 or to wipe off my hands. So this has gold in it, and then white, silver, pearlescent, and black. So I dab, dab, dab it, and then I dry it out. And this, of course, I don't think you guys can see the colors as well. And they're not real pretty colors, really. These are reds, greens, just a leftover. So we got some more. Here's another one. I kind of like that one. You wouldn't really be able to see color. Now you ask me, why the paper towels? Well, the paper towels can be used with decoupage to be put on covers. So let me show you some more. So then there's these ones. These are acrylic paint as well. Right. So, and they give it a neat texture, which isn't something you can see in video. And I'm sorry about the shadow. It's where my light is at in here. Then what I was doing was I was doing acrylic pours for my daughter for her pots. She was making pots to put flowers in. I'll show you those in a minute. So here's one which, interesting enough, also has little pieces of dirt on it. So that kind of came out kind of cool. Here's another paper towel one. Okay, I'm not into all the, not always the really pretty colors. So here's some. This is my orange with spots of blue on it, purple of course, but that's the red, blue, that's the red, yellow, and purple. There's another little extra one. Who knows what we'll use that for? Okay. Then this one didn't turn out so well. I mean, it did, but there's pieces. It got too heavy because it was used as a backdrop. But I still think it's kind of neat, and I'll probably use it. I'll cut it around it or make cutouts or something on it. And then we have this one. I really like that one. Again, that's those silver. It's a white, silvery pearl and black and some gold on that. No intent here. I was just doing sponges and stuff on it. You'll see in a minute how that all turned out. This one's sticky. Sorry. Okay, so that's the purple one. Right, I was using primary colors. Then, a couple of days ago, I did some dyes. So, you're not going to be able to see the colors really good here, but here's a pink. And these are just water drops. Water drops are good. This is a paper towel with the dyes. So that's going to turn out nice. See? Let's see if we can go that way. Those are really nice colors there. You won't be able to see them as well. And then, so that was orange. I did the colors of the rainbow. There's a pink one. There's a pink one, a green one, a purple, a yellow, and a blue. And then, these were my tissue papers here. I was using tissue papers. Where did my rainbow go? Oh no, my rainbow's gone. Did it fall? I don't know. Anyway, so I was doing tissue paper. I don't know where my rainbow went. And there's tissue paper. I made a rainbow one, but now I'm not sure where it went. So this was the tissue paper rainbow right here. It is kind of coming apart, so I have to be kind of careful of it, but it's not really tissue paper. It's like, well, it is tissue paper, but it was packaging paper. And so I put it together to make a rainbow that I'm going to cut out, you know, this way. Do the arch and cut it out and make a rainbow from it. Alright, so here's another one I made. Alright, now see these flowers my daughter bought because she's going to pot them. in these pots that we made. Now, I made, like, I made that one, she made that one, she made that one. I made most of these. I made this one. That's a sponged. This is a sponged one too. I like that one. So that's those colors that I was telling you about that I did. Here's one that's a part of a, like a pour on it and then sponged out, and that's pour and sponge. It's got the silver and the gold and stuff. So all the ones down here I pretty much made for her. This one's probably sticking right here. Yep. There you go. Pull it off. This is my drying rack. I made those. Those are rainbow ones. So I made these acrylic pours for her, and she's going to plant all those flowers in it. I don't personally like acrylic pours. I don't like acrylics a whole lot because they're a very dense kind of paint. They're good for drawing on things like this. You know, like this. It's good for that. To me. I mean, other people might like them a lot. But, so that's what I was doing today, which is the day before Mother's Day. And the reason I do the papers, like I said, is because I'll use them later in journals and stuff.